the most disheartening thing is the fads, the fashions. People are looking at plastic surgery as a sort of a freak show. I mean, we turn the television on, we watch shows like Botched and Extreme Makeover and Nip and Tuck, and we think that's plastic surgery. That's all patients see is things like that. And they come in and they request procedures that are bizarre, that are not in their best interest. Or they come in and they want to look like this person when they're never going to look like that person. And in order to look like that person, you're going to have to do something that is destructive. We all know celebrities that have done things like that. You can have the most money in the world, like some of the celebrities and superstars and supermodels, and we all have heard stories or look at them later in their life and go, what happened to that beautiful person? What did they do? But more importantly, what did someone else do? And you see patients disheartening to see patients undergo a cookie cutter procedure by the same surgeon. Maybe you take 100 patients, they're doing the same operation on all 100, and we're creating a world of a global culture, a blender, a person who just blends into a crowd. And to me, I've always said this, that God creates harmony and balance in each individual person and gives them their character. We can't take that character away as a plastic surgeon. We frequently do. Some surgeons frequently do, and I think that's a mistake. I think we are who we are, and the character is something that we want to keep. And I believe it's okay to improve upon God's harmony and balance, but not change it. And that's disheartening. The other thing that's disheartening is to see the infomercials and the TV programs that I will turn on briefly and just shake my head and turn them off, because it's a reality TV show. It's media. And it's not the truth. Some of the other disheartening things are just to see people perform procedures that are unregulated. Cosmetic surgery is unregulated. Anyone can perform it, from a dentist to a family practitioner to a dermatologist. Unfortunately, there is no regulating board of cosmetic surgery. Cosmetic surgery is performed by all of these different subspecialists. I will tell you that it is my personal belief that plastic surgeons, board-certified plastic surgeons, perform it better than any other subspecialist because they have an in-depth knowledge of what the normal is. And they've operated throughout the body on the normal. And if you don't have a good understanding of what the normal is in operating, then how are you able to modify things that are abnormal? So I think they have a better understanding of how to keep people out of trouble and what you can and cannot do. Doesn't mean that their taste is natural. That takes an artist and a talented individual that has creative drive, who is gifted technically at the same time.